Welcome to my vlogs again.
Pangalan na to?
Fifth time.
Five na ba? Hindi ba 4?
There's so many cosplayers. They look beautiful. But someone beautiful. Oh look.
Spin the wheel. Iisa lang yata eh.
Oh look at those. What do you call it? Grevillea lanigera. Mount Tamborita. Water lily. Ang ganda ng buhok mo. Or ano lang, hair.
Malamang.
Yeah, super. As you can see, damo lang lahat. There's no interesting. Huh? No interesting here.
There's nothing interesting.
There's nothing interesting here.
Ano mga English yan, bro?
OMB. Oh look, Kurapika. You look beautiful. Oh look at this. This one is interesting. If you touch it, kadiri. Kadiri yung touch. Ay, yung feel.
Katiri yung touch.
Ah,
Texture
the
addict.
texture is disgusting. I mean, not disgusting, but really disgusting. Because, paano sabihin to?
Bawal.
Sorry, boss.
Dito! Dito. Ang tawag dun,
Do you guys want ice cream?
kapag ano, naghahawa ka ng aso, ganun yung feeling.
Ah, yes, she's right. As you can see, there's ice cream. Do you guys want some? Subscribe. Binol.
Subscribe to my channel.
Binol. And guys, I don't mean no harm.
I don't mean no harm.
Let's go forward. As you can see, someone dropped that.
Ano yan?
And I don't know. Oh, it's a
Scrunchy.
Scrunchy. Scrunchy?
Scrunchy.
Scrunchy. As you can see, lovely family. Oh, teacher, as you can see, puro as you can see. Look at this, interesting. Come forward, come forward.
Baka sino pa kata niya?
Look. Interesting. See.
Isa! Nawawa ko. Wait lang.